Shubor Nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Chairperson Jong National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma Mentakasngin Kong Jong Katayo Kapratarik Naitung Arjar Pasau Kalawan Shakajala Meghalaya Nakabentaban Penlong Jinglang Halor Kapang Women Entrepreneurs for Non-Timber Forest Produce Nakaliang Sharma Bekaran Batkilat Patai Kubor Hadin Jinglang Kalaong Baka Commission Kalayo Ikijing Ujor Halor Jingshah Thombor Jong Kynthei Henry Kamtip Pat Lakatanat Pulit Apok Kajala Kala Penshitom Na Mikiba Thombor Sharma kala pentip ru baka commission hakilai snam baladap kala penlong iki program pensnguthu paitba habaro ki benta jengkari India hagajinge trelang bat ke National Legal Services Authority bat yakani ke cukup program en penlong menta usnam bat ke benta jeng kathan chitei lamingi kari ru kan kentup lang hakani ke program kala ongru baki babun ki Kynthei kimtip yaki an ki bayada yaki na Jingshah Thombor bat ki perkhat kadai ke benta jeng jing im bakin sha penshitom hendai nakaliang ke commission kan pensnguthu yaki Bat baki day banwan syakmat ban keren halor kijing jongki. Ka Sharma kala pentip bro hadian jong ke program kan saya keren bat ka sorkar jala halor kijing bom shimkhya ban le eki kam ban yadai ki Kynthei namar ka sorkar jala ka don lak benta ban trei ka kam hendai om ban syukhanyat bet syaka sorkar peding. Lasan ran lang ya ka Rekha Sharma mentakasngi dak rekhot jong ke NCW ka kong Delina Khongdop bat kiwe ki rekhot jong ka commission.
I think the number you are talking about, it is also because women are now aware of their rights and they are coming forward and speaking. That's why we see that number is, it seems that it is increasing. And media, you people are also now working around the clock and putting things for the world to see that these things are happening to the women. So number, yes, you can see, and police is also working around the clock and they are registering cases. So number is increasing, but I think we need to work on everywhere. I can say that northeastern area is still very, very safe for women if you compare with the plains of India, or if you compare with the north of India. There the kind of cases which are brutal against women are more, but still we need to work. There should not be even single case against women, and women should be safe and secure anywhere and everywhere, any part of India, and we are working, NCW is working on it.
In matrilineal Meghalaya, we have seen that there are cases of that women commission in this part.
One of my member is local from this. Delina is local from this part, and she is taking care of each and every case which is concerning not only Meghalaya but every state of the northeast. So I think she is the better person to respond on this question.
It's been taken by NCW for that matter.
What is the latest?
So far we have not received any.
I think we have received, but I am not aware of the action taken report from the police. Yes. We have received.
Ma'am, like how we were mentioning earlier that though cases are rising, are being reported, however, it still differs on the ground. Women still hesitate to report about domestic violence. How is NCW looking into it?
We are doing a legal awareness program all over India in every taluka. We did from last 3 years we have been doing with Nalsa, and this year also we are going to do this program around the country, and northeast will be part of it. In every district we are going to do, so that women know their right and come forward. Many women don't even know that this is violence against them, whereas domestic violence is concerned, because from generations they are suffering for the, domestic violence, and they think that this is part and parcel of their life. So we must make them aware that this is a violence against them and they should raise their voice, and that's what NCW is doing. Even many awareness program, many seminars, and time to time we have been doing these seminars in northeast also.
Coming to this program, though we have a lot of medicinal plant in Meghalaya, and proper marketing is not there. So in what way?
Why the state government is not doing? Why you always look for central government to do? What is state government doing? There is some responsibility of state government also. Why don't you question them?
That is why my question is whether what step will you take so that the
I am
government
also part of
Meghalaya,
central government, and I have come here. That means central government knows their responsibility and they are working. So now you should ask the state government also the same question.
Now, this question you have asked many a time. That is why my question is, what step you will take so that the state government will wake up to help the farmers?
Let us finish this program first, and then we'll ask the state government, because we have also just started this program.
Our pertinent issue is we have 35-40,000.